Hello again. Today we are going to be factoring the difference of two squares. Okay, so as a model, I want to show you that this is going to look like this. If I have a squared minus b squared, if I factored that into two parentheses, this would become a plus b and a minus b. The reason for that would be if I did FOIL on this, I would do first would give me a squared, outer would be minus ab, and then if I did inner, that would be plus ab, and then last would give me minus b squared. You'll notice here I have a minus ab and a plus ab, and those would cancel, and all I'm left with is a squared minus b squared. Now, what does this look like if I have a situation like this? If I have x squared minus 16, well, I will make my two parentheses, and the thing that is in the place of my a squared is x squared. So then I'm going to put an x in each parenthesis. And then I will put a plus and a minus. 16 is a perfect square. It is 4 squared. So that means I'm going to put a 4 here and a 4 here. So my answer to this one would be x plus 4 times x minus 4. Let's say I have m squared minus 9. So what I'll do is I'll make my two parentheses. I will put an m in each one, and then I'll ask, what is the square root of 9? Well, the square root of 9 is 3, so we'll put a plus in one parenthesis and a minus in another. Here I have k squared minus 1, and this is a difference of two squares, so I will factor it, and I will make this a k and a k in each parenthesis. Put plus and minus in each parenthesis, and then what is the square root of 1? Well, the square root of 1 is 1. So I'll just put a 1 in each parenthesis. Now what if I have 36 minus x squared? It's the same process. We will make two sets of parentheses, but notice that the x squared is the second term. So we'll just put an x and an x. It's still going to be plus or minus. And then in the front, we're going to put the square root of 36. So it'll be 6 plus x and 6 minus x. So what if I have 196 minus c squared? Well, I'll make my two parentheses, and I'll put a c in each one, put a plus and a minus. And now I need to find out what is the square root of 196. What two numbers multiply together to be 196? Well, that would be 14 and 14. So my final answer is 14 plus c times 14 minus c. And that's how you factor the difference of two squares.